the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Analysis coming at you with a quick update video on Vara. Dang! So yeah, this thing absolutely fell off the table. But I think our support areas got tagged, and I think it should be oversold now. So keep that in mind. We talked about, hopefully I talked about it in my last video. But if I didn't, then I really think I did. So let's look at this. So we said that if it was going to fall off the table, yeah, so it's oversold right now. And look at this. So it's oversold. Damn. Does anybody know what happened? Because I don't know, and I haven't researched it. So oversold. We are still making a higher low, so keep that in mind. Did we hold support? That's the question. From this low to this high, we did. Look, we're literally sitting on support right now at around 65. We drew a huge candle down though, so nobody can predict this, guys, right? Nobody can predict that you holding 50% of the supply. I'm not saying that's what happened, but you one day waking up holding 50% of the supply just ended up like selling everything, right? And it's pretty bullish that it did bounce back, and now it's actually holding the 786 support from this low to the high. So it's pretty bullish in my opinion. And like I say with my coins, if you're gonna buy, this would theoretically be the best time to buy because it's oversold. The sentiment is really bad right now, so I know what you guys are feeling, especially because y'all probably bought here. But if you didn't buy there, then it's okay. But like looking back in like a couple months from now, you're gonna be like, it's gonna kind of be the same thing as if you bought here, because if you bought here, the price is going to eventually reverse, right? And then say we do have another person that sells a lot, we're gonna make a higher low at that point. So we're still going to be maintaining this like uptrend, even though it's really small. I hope this all makes sense. But what I'm trying to basically say right now is like theoretically this would be like if I were buying Vara, I would buy now. Like I would have hopefully bought at this point, or had a buy order around 6.5 cents or like 6 cents in case something like this did happen. If not, then it's okay. I mean, just hold your coins, right? You guys are still up, so it's not that bad. But like, how much was this drop? I'll look at next areas of support too. Actually, no, there is no other support other than the 4 cents 80. So it'll double bottom if it goes that low. Keep in mind, if it goes that low. Yeah, that was 25% dump, and then it retraced 50% from there. So if whoever caught the bottom is up like 17% from this low. So that's not, that's not crazy. 25%, I mean, it is a lot, but next area, yeah, it's 48, and then if that doesn't hold, then we're looking at a bigger move down to 2 cents. I'm not saying that's going to happen. Remember, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but you should probably know that it is possible. I remember I was in XLM in 2018. I always say this coin. I always say this video, and it like literally went down to 3 cents. I don't know for whoever else was in it, but if you guys remember, basically it was like 11, 12 cents, and then it dumped to 3 cents, and then went back up to 6 cents. And then I sold it because I was like, there's no way like this thing's gonna run. And then it went to 80 cents, and I missed out on it, and I lost money because I sold at 6 cents. So it might capitulate. I'm not saying it will, and then it might like come back to life and absolutely go to like 80 cents, right? Is that a fib? Is that a target? Let's see. Yeah, so like we said before, as long as it breaks the previous high, we're looking at the previous high at 32 cents and $1.07 in this bull run. But until we get over 7.5 cents, there's no bull run. Once we get over 7.5 cents, hopefully this gets eaten up and we go back above it and we stay in between the 236 and the 382. The next area of resistance is going to be 10 cents. Once we break 10 cents, I don't think that there's going to be much resistance because all these resistance points have weakened at this point because they've been tagged so many times, and we've been consolidating since November. So if it actually consolidates until November of this year, and goes sideways, then yeah, I do think there's a bigger move up, and we are actually going to break that. But again, just my opinion. So up target 74, we need to get over that ASAP, and then I already told you guys the areas of resistance and support. So none of this is financial advice. Obviously, this is all my guess and what I think and what I would do, right? Good luck, and thank you so much for all of your support. I will catch you guys in the next video.